And welcome again to another edition of Windows SQL best practices. Sorry, SQL Server best practices 2022. This is part 6. So the last part in our series. This is gonna be just a brief video in which I wanted to show you how you can regain quite fast access to your database or your SQL Server when you were hacked. So in case you are compromised, you can actually work quite fast and try to save as much as possible. So, okay, let's get to it. First of all, I'm just gonna log in here to this management studio, and let's say I just wanted to use my servicing account. So I wanted to do something, and uh, okay, so well, this user cannot connect to the database at all. It has been practically totally disabled. So now in order to actually regain access to the database, because somebody probably hacked it, let's say we are just gonna use our terminal here. I'm gonna run as administrator, and first of all we need to actually stop SQL Server. So we're gonna run netstop, gonna stop the process. After that we're gonna run SQL Server in multi-user mode. Okay, and now we're gonna run SQL CMD. Of course, we are gonna create a user. And with this user, we are gonna log into our database to regain access. And now we're gonna add the administrator role to this user. Okay. And after all of this, we're gonna stop SQL. And now we can actually start everything without the M parameter, so it's going to start in single user mode, and we can go to our management studio. Let's choose server authentication. And there we go. We have regained the access to our server. With our new user, we can go to security, to logins, and as you can see, SA account has been totally disabled. So if somebody actually was here, he probably would create another account here and disable all of your existing accounts. But thanks to this, you will be able to regain access quite fast after a some kind of a attack, or maybe unauthorized user attempt of logging to your server. Okay, so thanks for watching the whole series. I hope this last video is gonna be helpful as well. Even if you actually forget your administrator password or you lost the password to your SQL server, you can always regain access to it like this. I'm planning of doing another series dedicated to IIS, so if you want to watch it, stay tuned, and as always, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.